Welcome to part 3 of the Christmas flower decorations. Today I'm going to make a flower arrangement for Christmas. Bringing amaryllis flowers in the house has been a Christmas tradition for me for many years. So today I'm going to decorate the house for Christmas with these wonderful flowers. For this arrangement I used the amaryllis nymph, eucalyptus, winterberry and pine branches. Amaryllis is a very popular cut flower. I love these blousy flowers and I absolutely understand why so many people love them. You can grow them from bulbs, but in our country it is a very common cut flower as well. This pot can't contain any water, so that's why I'm putting a vase in it. And then I'm going to start with the filling, which are these nice branches with these berries. These wonderful red berries come from the winterberry, which is a deciduous holly. Use a sharp pair of secateurs to cut the thick branches to get a clean cut. So you definitely need a pair of secateurs to cut them. And even then it's quite hard. The berry branches form the main structure of the flower arrangement. Cut the amaryllis with a sharp knife. I'm cutting them basically, I'm just shortening them. It's not a definite size yet, just have to check. Amaryllis come from the Western Cape of South Africa. You can grow the bulbs in the house, but in our country it is a very common cut flower as well. Can be a lot shorter. This variety is called nymph. It is a beautiful double white flower with red stripes. This cultivar comes from my home country, the Netherlands. Cut back the amaryllis with a sharp knife. Once the amaryllis are in place, I use pine branches as a filling. I love how the branches cascade over the pot. For the final touch, I'm going to add some eucalyptus. I use eucalyptus polyanthamus to add more filling and texture to the arrangement. think it looks absolutely fantastic, if I may say so myself. I'm very, very pleased with the result. It looks very Christmassy and I can't wait for the amaryllis to start flowering. Having amaryllis flowers in the house for Christmas is one of my favorite Christmas traditions. I simply can't resist these gorgeous flowers. Wishing you all a wonderful Christmas, and I hope to see you back next week. Thank you so much for watching.